Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you okay? Now, I just want to take this opportunity to say to you on behalf of the Jamaican cooking journey, me and my family, I want to wish you and yours a peaceful, a blessed, happy Christmas, and also entering into the new year. We want to thank you for your continued love and support from 2017 until now, especially throughout this year. We want to give you thanks. We appreciate all the love that you have been showing to us, from on the Jamaican cooking journey to the Jamaican Debbie Deb Strain, and also onto her latest channel, the Jamaican Mukbang. I want to go and film me. We just want to say thank you for the love. Thank you for clicking onto our videos. Thank you for leaving comments that we can so appreciate. Some of them are so warm. They're so welcoming. A few here and there, they throw you off. But this is the journey of life. Not everything is going to keep you on track. You've got to have those that throws you off to be strong. So also to you who leave me a few mean comments at times, I want to say thank you too. I want to also say to you, try to remember this is a season for giving. It is a season for sharing. Also, it is a season for receiving. I just implore you, give with love, share with love, and also receive with love. Receiving with love, you show appreciation. You say thank you in a decent way that the giver feels it. Sharing with love means you share with no malicious feeling. You just share right over, just share. Willing, it doesn't matter. This is too good for you, give that. No, just share with love. And the most of all, give with love. Don't give to show off. It doesn't matter, because it's not the cost or the price of what you give. It is the thought behind it. Remember, family, a very key thing. It should be all throughout the year, but some people try to make it extra at this time of the year. Remember to love your family members. And it doesn't matter. Family is not always blood. Okay? Remember to be kind. Remember to be loving. Remember to embrace your family. Those who have had differences throughout the year, try to see if you can amend it. Some of them, they just cannot be amended, because some others, they tend to go, as soon as it's amended, they tend to go back to the very spot that we don't want to. But we're going to be working on that. Try to work on it with your families. Okay? Also, some of you have lost loved ones during the course of this year. And it's going to affect you so hard or so bad to know that it's going to be the first Christmas without having your loved one around. It's going to be hard. It's going to be real emotional. Try to get yourself in the company of people who will be there, who will share, who will take good care of you and understand your emotion. Some might want to reach out to you, and because you're grieving so much, you just want to shut out people. But try not to shut out, because you alone will not be able to do it. Okay? So, I am just saying, you'll be cooking. I know a lot of you will be cooking some real good Jamaican food. And that is why the Jamaican cooking journey is here. I know you'll be all tuned in to this channel. From east to west to north to south. We got it going on right here. So, once more, thank you for loving us. Thank you for being a part of the Jamaican cooking journey. Thank you for always being here. We also anticipate your continued support in the coming year and years to come. We want to try to be, we're going to be trying to do things, you know, in a more way. We want to be going more in depth. And then probably somebody might have said, then how much more in depth Debbie can be. We can go a little more in depth by doing like probably straight meals. Showing you how you can have straight meals. Showing you how you can prepare meals for yourself as a diabetic. And some of those. We want to be touching base with some of those. So, I want to thank you all, my Caribbean people, Barbados, Trinidad, the whole works, the whole world. I think the whole world is onto the Jamaican cooking journey now. I think so. So from our Jamaican kitchen, from my Jamaican home, to wherever you are, to your kitchen, to your family table, it is love, peace, blessings, and most of all, happiness. Happy cooking, happy eating, happy entertaining. Bless, no stress.